Hello guys, in this video I want us to take a look at Rubi coin and what is the possibility of you earning over $500 to $1,000 in this project. I think this is actually worth discussion. So let's get into it. So looking at Rubi coin as a project, because presently I have tried to limit my own personal engagement about airdrop to just maybe 4 or 5 projects. I haven't seen what Telegram airdrop actually did to a lot of us last year and this year, how they kept on wasting our time, and not even peculiar to only Telegram airdrop, even some mining apps like what's it called, like CPEN. Yes, they also just make the project useless at the point of listing by through the greediness of the developers with their collaboration with Bitmart Exchange, in the sense that they with Bitmart Exchange listed that CPEN even before the scheduled date, and before you know it, all the coins we are holding just became dust in our own eyes. So not just limited to Telegram airdrops, even most of these mining apps, they tend not to give to the community what they have promised. So I've tried to actually limit my engagement with airdrop to like 3, 4, or 5. So among these 5, the number one project I'm highly bullish on, which I think I should also let my viewers know, and the reason why this project can actually cook well for the community. The first project is Rubicoin. And why am I so bullish on this project? Let's take like 2 or 3 reasons why this project has so much potential to actually reward the users, the miners. Number one, the team behind this project, they do not have their own reserved allocation. That is to say, everybody that is holding Rubi coin today, everybody gets it by mining it. Nothing like, oh, these team developers, they have allocated 25% to themselves. No, not like that. In the case of Rubi coin, both the owner, both the founders, we are all mining, and it is what we are mining that we are getting. So there is no way somewhere that is holding over 30% of this coin. So that is one of the reasons why I am so bullish on Rubi coin. Then the second reason why I am so bullish on Rubi coin is because the total supply of this project is just too small. We are looking at total supply to be around 100 million Rubi coin, and as at the time I'm making this video, we have seen the data that we have not even mined up to 30 million of this coin. That is less than 30% of this coin that might be in circulation upon listing, and even the mining rate has been slashed seriously. So what is the potential of you earning over $500 to $1,000 in this coin? Looking at what the team has even put out, they have let us know that this coin cannot be less than $2 upon listing. And based on the amount we have been trading this coin among ourselves, some are selling it at like 1,000 naira if you're in Nigeria, or 2,000 naira, while some are selling it at $1 or $2 if you are trying to trade it with USDT. So the value is already making sense to us, that if you just have, let's say, 200 Ruby coin or 300 Ruby coins, you might be earning over $500 in that project. So I just think that it is better you focus on a few that have a great potential to actually reward you upon listing, than to be doing all kinds of airdrop that come your way and be wasting so much time and energy on all of them, and at the end of the day you've got nothing to actually show for it. From what you have done so far, some have not even earned up to $100. If you are to calculate all they have earned in all the airdrop that you have done since last year, just imagine. So just pick the few that you can pick, maybe 3, 4, or 5 that have a good potential. Focus on them and go all in on them. I think that is the best strategy that you can just adopt. So I personally, Ruby is ranking as my first coin that I am bullish on and that I am mining every day without missing a day of mining on this project. That is what I want to share with you, that you should not joke with Ruby coin. Take it seriously because it has a very good potential to actually cook well for the community. Thanks for watching, guys. I remain your friend Shino Oladele, fondly called Uncle Colorless. Don't forget to also like and subscribe if you have not done that. See you in my next video.